possible.
But then the flip side of that is the rest of the year, the weather is beautiful.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, like when you get to sort of Christmas time and January, February, March, it's beautiful, glorious weather, and you feel like you're on holiday all the time, which is very similar to here. You're just not quite as hot in the summer here.
I'm here with Alina.
Alina, yes, nice to meet you.
You're the listing agent.
Yes, I'm the listing agent.
Beautiful property. I'm really surprised from this property. Thanks for inviting me for the open house.
Yes.
We have many people from all over the world watching our YouTube channel, so I like to bring this quality, beautiful and luxurious property. Can you talk to us a bit more about the property?
Of course. So this is a triplex apartment. It feels like a villa actually. You have the private pool and you have the private garden. Actually it's a corner unit, which makes it more spacious. So you have 4 bedrooms, 417 square meters in total, which is quite big for this
417.
17, yes.
Okay.
And then you have 200 square meters around the garden area and the pool area. We are on the Golden Mile. It's 3 minutes down the road to the beach. The Boho Club, the Puente Romano. So the area is unbeatable.
I love the sensation of being in a villa.
Yes.
Looks, you have clear views from here.
Of course.
You have La Concha, you have the safetyness of being in an urbanization.
The thing is that you have the concierge 24 hours, you have cameras all over surrounding this development, and also this development, it gives you a gym, a private gym and a spa, which is really fantastic. But also you have the space to do your own gym downstairs in the basement, 2 parking spaces as well, so yeah, quite and the value, it's amazing. It's
really?
4,250,000.
4,250,000. Yeah. I'm seeing that the urbanization is quite new.
Yeah.
It was delivered like 2 months ago, 6 months?
Actually last year. We got the keys last year, but we just furnished it brand new 2 months ago. And this is why we decided to do an open house.
So you have the community swimming pool and also
you have your
private swimming pool.
Exactly.
What about this swimming pool here? Is heated as well?
No, it's not. You don't need it in Marbella. It's sunny all year, so
that's right.
You don't actually need it.
How much is the community fees for
Well,
this
the community fees are around 1,600 euro per month.
Okay.
Which some people think it's expensive, but when you are a millionaire and you buy this property, I mean, it's not that much. So 1,600, but that includes the, all the maintenance for the pool, the garden.
And we arrived here. The gate was closed.
Yeah.
There was a guard there checking and opening up. And
exactly.
24/7. This is very important, especially if you are rich, you want to buy a property and be safe.
Yeah.
Marbella, it's almost everything. It really important for the clients.
It is important. It's better than to have a villa, private villa, because as you said, you have the community, the concierge, and the service is quite good. So yeah, we are very happy with this. We are looking forward to sell it fast. I think it's going to go fast because we have the location, we have the qualities, the space. So what else do you need? You just need 4 million and it's yours.
You've been living here 22 years.
22 years, yeah.
Marbella.
Yeah.
What do you like the most?
Well, the sun,
about
obviously.
That's the same as me. But after sun, what's the next one that you really enjoy to be here in Marbella?
God, I think the people here, because it's from all over the world, so nationalities are so mixed. There is no racism. I mean, you're from Romania or you're from Brazil or you're from England.
You are welcome.
We are all the same. You're welcome. And Spanish, everybody.
And Andalusian people are very welcoming.
Very welcoming.
Very friendly people.
Exactly.
That's great.
Yeah, and also the food. Mediterranean food is the best. So
the food.
You have the fresh.
Another thing, the beach.
And the beach.
Oh, many beautiful beaches all
exactly.
around.
And also you have 2 hours and a half driving to the ski resort, which is what do you need?
2 hours from Portugal.
Exactly, in Algarve. Yeah. So yeah, it's quite amazing. I've been here 22 years and I never left.
Alina, I'm going to tell you another thing that most of the people, they probably know, but they don't realize. We are in Costa del Sol, there's no industries around.
Yes, exactly.
You have a very clear, fresh air to breathe. Yes. And in most of different cities, big ones, metropolis like Barcelona or Madrid, the pollution of the air is higher and higher.
Yeah, it's a very healthy lifestyle, to tell you the truth. All combined together, the climate, the food, and it's very healthy.
Thank you very much, Alina, for
thank
helping
you.
with the video.
A pleasure
Nice
to see you, and
see you in the next video.
Yeah, see you next time.
Thank
for
you.
sure.
All right, but tell me